Tired of getting out of your car every time? Rain, cold, mud, opening gates is always a hassle. Ever struggled with heavy gates on your property? Manual gates mean wasted time and effort daily. Worried about gate security and unwanted access? Wish your gate could open with just a click? Meet the Mighty Mule MM371W automatic gate opener. Transform your gate into a smart, secure entry system. No more wrestling with heavy gates in bad weather. Simply press the remote. Your gate swings open smoothly. Easy DIY installation with step-by-step app guidance. Download the Built app for interactive 3D instructions. See exactly what tools you'll need before you start. Follow clear voice, text, and image prompts. Install with confidence. No guesswork, no confusion. Compatible with chain link and wood gates. Supports gates up to 16 feet and 500 pounds. Perfect for driveways, farms, ranches, and homes. Not recommended for solid surface gates. Operates reliably in all weather conditions. Works year-round from 5 W to 160 W. Requires a 12V marine or automotive battery, sold separately. Upgrade to smart control with optional MMS 10 kit. Open and close your gate from your smartphone. Enjoy wireless range up to half a mile. Go green. Convert to solar power with FM123 panel. Efficient renewable energy for remote installations. Charge your gate battery using the sun. Ideal for eco-conscious users and rural properties. Safety comes first. UL 325 certified for peace of mind. Beep warnings alert you to obstructions instantly. Protect your family, pets, and vehicles. Designed in Carlsbad, CA, made in North America. Quality craftsmanship built to last. Kit includes automatic gate opener, remote control box. All mounting hardware is included for easy setup. 24-hour technical support available if you need help. 1-year warranty for worry-free ownership. Before, struggling with heavy gates every day. Getting soaked in the rain just to open your gate. Feeling unsafe with manual locks and latches. After, effortless access at the touch of a button. Stay dry, warm, and comfortable inside your vehicle. Enjoy secure, smart entry for your property. No more wasted time or frustration. Your gate opens and closes automatically, reliably. Easily monitor and control access from anywhere. Add solar power, reduce energy costs, go green. Peace of mind with built-in safety alerts. Installation is simple, even for DIY beginners. The Built app guides you every step of the way. No more confusing manuals or missing parts. Upgrade your gate in just a few hours. Join thousands of satisfied Mighty Mule owners. Homeowners love the convenience and security. Property managers appreciate the reliability. DIY enthusiasts enjoy the easy installation process. Make your gate smarter, safer, and more convenient. Choose solar for eco-friendly, hands-free operation. Protect your property with advanced safety features. Enjoy seamless access control with wireless options. Get the most out of your outdoor gates. Stop struggling. Start enjoying modern gate automation. Ready to upgrade your gate today? Order the Mighty Mule MM371W gate opener kit now. Download the Built app for easy installation. Add smart connectivity and solar options anytime. Experience the difference of reliable gate automation. Elevate your property's convenience and security. Mighty Mule MM371W. The smarter way to open your gate. Don't wait. Transform your gate with Mighty Mule today. Click the link to learn more and get started. Enjoy effortless access, safety, and peace of mind. Mighty Mule MM371W, where convenience meets security. Upgrade your gate, upgrade your life. Order now and experience the Mighty Mule advantage. Your gate, your way, Mighty Mule MM371W.